Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your Township game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you want to restart your Township game from the very beginning. Township automatically saves your progress to your device or linked account, so you just can't simply reset it with a button. So now the best way to do this on an Android, we want to go ahead and click and hold down the Township game. Click on the eye to get in the app info, scroll down, then from here you want to go ahead and click onto storage. Once we're inside storage, want to go ahead and clear data and clear cache. Now once you've done that, we can go ahead and open up Township, and it's going to be from the very start. So before we log back into Township, we need to do something else. So we need to go ahead and use a new account. So log out of your current Facebook, Google Play or Apple ID, create a new account and connect Township to it. This guarantees a fresh start with a brand new town. Now if you want to go ahead and play it on a new device, you can. So install Township on another phone or tablet, but just don't log in with your old account. Just play as a guest or with a new login. But be careful, because restarting deletes all progress, coins, cash and purchase items. So if you want to keep your town safe, make sure it is linked to a Facebook, Google, Apple first, so you can restore it later if you ever change your mind.